Another day and I'm back with another new video. Hey guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be super interesting because I'm back with something new from Skullcandy. These are the smallest ever TWS made by the brand and go by the name Skullcandy Dime, and today in this video we're gonna unbox and check it out. They come in this sort of box packaging and says it's mini and mighty, and you can even see a picture of the product on the front size. I have to tell you guys, these are like literally very small and pack some really nice features. They feature Skullcandy's signature sound, their IPX4 water resistant, offer 12 hours of battery life and some other stuff which I'll tell you in this video. Now that is pretty much it guys. There's nothing much written on the box packaging, and at the backside we've got some details regarding the model. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with the unboxing. Let me just cut this seal on the package, and there we go. The product is actually available in like multiple color options. The one we have right now is the standard black color edition. And there you go guys, our new TWS from the brand, the Skullcandy Dime. My god, that's it? Let me just take it out of the package. Oh my god, is this a charging case? Oh god damn, this is so small. This looks just the size of a car keychain, or maybe smaller than that. We'll just come back to that in a moment. Along with that, you also have some accessories over here. You get a user manual, just make sure to read that. A micro USB cable for charging the earbuds, and lastly you get some extra pair of ear tips in different sizes. That's it, these are all the stuff we got in the package. Now let's finally check out the product that we've been waiting for. The all new Skullcandy Dime. Initial impressions, just look at the size guys. Here's my Batman figure at the left side and the TWS on the right. The whole case is even smaller than my action figure. That is so cool, right? Let me just give you a closer look at the product and show you the case. It's a very compact looking case guys, and also is like quite lightweight, weighs only around like 32 grams in the hand, and build quality is also pretty nice. You also get this lanyard over here, so you can even hang it as a keychain to maybe your car key or bike key or anything. At the back side you've got the Skullcandy logo, some product information, and on the front side you see these two things over here. These are the actual Dime earbuds. Let me just open them and show you. My god, just look at the size of this thing. They're so tiny. Very cute looking earbuds, and I have to say I like this classic black color also. Very minimalistic design guys, and the build quality is also pretty good. The body is entirely made of polycarbonate material. Giving my physical overview, you've got a Skullcandy logo over here which also doubles up as a multi-function button, so you can easily control all your phone functions right from the TWS, and removing the sticker exposes the charging contacts on the body, and the quality of the ear tips is also nice, feels soft and durable. And you also have a tiny LED status indicator as well on both of them, and yes, both the earbuds come with a built-in microphone, so you can even use them in a mono mode to even answer your calls. Pretty nice. So that was our first look at this TWS. What I'll do is I'll just quickly put them on and then talk about the comfort and the sound. The Skullcandy Dime are a Bluetooth 5.0 TWS that are super tiny and portable. They feel quite comfortable to wear even for longer periods of usage and fit firmly in your ears thanks to those silicone ear tips, and also do not fall off that easily. And good thing about them is you can even use them during your workout sessions as they are IPX4 rated water resistant. Now finally coming to the sound. Oh boy, I was not expecting that. The sound quality on these TWS is very good for the price. They feature 6mm drivers and offer Skullcandy's signature tuned sound. The mids felt crisp and clear with nice vocal clarity. The high frequency response was also good, just the right amount of treble without any harshness. And talking about the bass, initially guys I was not expecting any kind of bass on them due to its tiny structure. But that was not the case over here. I was surprised that it was actually producing good bass. Not super punchy though, just the right amount you needed. On the overall, I was quite satisfied and happy with the sound quality. If you ask about the THD, the distortion was also less, even up to 95% volume level, and the audio output was also loud and sufficient. Not to forget, both the earbuds have individual mics on them, so you can answer calls even while using them in mono mode, and the microphone quality was also fine. Not the best around this price point, but gets your job done. The other person will have no issues understanding you. We're almost coming to an end, so let me tell you about the battery life. Each of these earbuds pack 20 mAh battery and offer you around 3 to 3.5 hours of battery life on a single charge. And the case can charge your TWS up to 2 times, so you can expect a total music playtime of around 10 to 11 hours on a single charge. Well, that's it guys, that was my video on the smallest TWS from Skullcandy. I love the design, it's super tiny, compact and easy to carry anywhere. They're IPX4 rated, water resistant and offer great quality sound. If you're a person looking for a TWS with these sort of features, you can definitely go for the dime. The only issue I faced with them is, since they're super small, every time I had to struggle a bit to take them out of the case. They keep slipping in my hands. And the second one is, the battery life is a bit less compared to the competition around this price point. Again, you can't complain much because it's hard to fit a big battery in that small package. Anyways, the Skullcandy's dime cost around 2299 rupees. I'll just leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you all enjoyed watching the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.